Hello everyone, this is Nikom and welcome to latest government job updates in English. So finally from KVS for official notification is out now, and in this video I will tell you the detailed information regarding the same, as this is very important recruitment. So just watch this video very carefully. Okay, I will go slow to tell you all the important points. Okay, so first there are 481 vacancies. Yes, the number is very good, the 481. If you complete BSc, BCA, MCA, MSc, Diploma, BE and BTech, then you are eligible for this recruitment. Okay, what are the branches are eligible? So triple E, electrical electronics, electronics communication, telecommunication, electronics, pure electronics also, computer science and information technology. Okay, now basically there are two posts. One post is called PGT. Okay, that is for computer science. Age limit is 40 years for that post. Okay, and another post is your TGT, that is 35-year age limit is there, and for that electrical and electronics student are eligible. Okay, for PGT, that is for computer science, 10 LPA CTC approximately salary you will get, and for TGT 9.5 LPA salary you will get. Now we will start our video with important points. So first important point, that for PGT, that is for computer science people, 50% aggregate you should have in your BCA, MCA, MSc, BCE, MSc. Okay, then BE, BTech, diploma, 50% aggregate you should have. For WE, that is TDT, there is no percentage criteria, so you should have your diploma, BE and BTech in your hands. Okay, for electrical electronics. Posting will be anywhere in India based on requirement. Exam center, lots of exam centers are there. All over India you will get exam centers. No worry for exam centers. Then process. Okay, process will be CBT plus interview. So based on the combined score, they will select you for the position of TGT or PGT. Now very important point for diploma student, specifically for electronics and electrical, you should have diploma after your 12th. Okay, and this is the only criteria for TGT, that is for electrical electronics. Okay, for computer science diploma there is no criteria. I don't know why this criteria is separately there for electrical electronics, but still it is there. That's why my job is to tell you guys. Okay, so those who complete diploma after 10th, 10 plus diploma, okay, 10 plus diploma, you guys are not eligible for this recruitment. You should have your diploma after 12th. So I guess the same criteria was there for IMD. The same thing is here. Okay. Now we will see branch wise and categorized breakdown. So first we will discuss about computer science PGT post. So as you can see, total in open there are 59 vacancies, OBC 38, SC 21, ST 10, EWS 14, total 142 vacancies are there. Okay, and you should have 50% aggregate. I already told you. BE, BTech, computer science, already all the information I already told you. Okay, so just you can see that. The main important thing, proficiency in teaching in Hindi and English. So basically now those who are South student, you should know about Hindi language. This is the main criteria. Definitely in exam also Hindi is there. Okay, 10 questions from Hindi you will get. So for that you need to prepare, and you should at least talk in Hindi, because obviously English you will know, but Hindi also you should know. So this is the very important criteria. Okay, you should note down. Then the next vacancy is for TGT WE, for which total 339 vacancies are there in open. 140, OBC 91, SC 50, ST 25, EWS 33, and for PWD also OH4, VH4, HS3 vacancies are there. Okay, here also Hindi and English both languages are means you should know must. These are must criteria. Okay, age limit cutoff date is 40 years for PGT computer science. So 40 for general EWS, OBC 43 and SST 45. For PWD 50 you are, OBC 56 and SST 60 years. Okay, cutoff date, age limit cutoff date is 26th of December. Then for TGT it is 35 years, cutoff date is same, that is 26th of December. 35 years for EWS and general, 38 for OBC, SST 40, and PWD you are 45, 51 OBC and SST 55. Important is, so form will start on 5th of December. So on 5th of December I will make the form filling video. So just watch that video properly and then you can fill the form. Okay, before form filling, do not fill the form blindly, because this is very important form, especially for those who are in age bracket of 29, 30, 31. Okay, because you know there is lots of less opportunity now for you guys from PSU and central government. So this is the biggest vacancy you have for that, right? And it will end on 26th of December. So it just for 20 days it will remain active. Our CBT is tentatively scheduled in February month. Okay, so definitely as per this only we will start our strategy video and our plan, right? Now fees. So this is the little painful factor here. You can see for general OBC and EWS 1500 rupees. Yes, little bit painful factor. And for SHT PWD expressman there is no fee for you guys. So yes, like remember all the PSUs and central government where we got selections, I will target now KVS and we will try to secure maximum vacancies out of this. So next video will be our strategy video and other videos that will guide you for KVS. Then our master success pack also there. Okay, I will tell you for new student what is master success pack. till now, for now, any query you have, just you can comment down below about notification, about any recruitment, or if you want to ask me any personally, then you can DM me on Instagram also. Okay, all the links are given in the description. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel, which is most important. All the best.